Hello, friends. Welcome to the HitFactor.Info Introduction. In this video, we will quickly review the website's main features without delving too deep into statistics and algorithms. The two most commonly used tabs on the website are classifiers and shooters. Let's start with shooters. Once you have selected a division, you will see a leaderboard sorted by recommended percentage. Think of it like USPSA's top 20 page, except it shows all classified shooters and allows you to search for them not only by member number but also by name. Let's try it out. We will search for June Kim, the leading developer of HitFactor.Info. So if you see him at a match, don't forget to tell him how much we appreciate his efforts in developing this functionality. Each shooter in USPSA mode will have 3 classifications: recommended, current high hit factor, and HQ. HQ is the classification imported directly from USPSA. Unfortunately, due to recent changes in USPSA API, it has become outdated. But fear not. The current HHF classification is still up to date and uses a reverse-engineered USPSA algorithm and the most recent high hit factors. So there will be a minimal difference from HQ's classification percentage, and only when the shooter has older scores in their most recent 8 that were used before HHFs were updated. Finally, we arrive at the recommended classification, which uses automatic high hit factors chosen based on score distribution. It also uses a slightly bigger window of 10 classifiers and doesn't utilize B or C flags. This results in a much harsher classification system that discourages grandbagging and better highlights the difference in overall shooting skill. This table also has current leaderboard place, percentile, and age columns. The sort column affects the place in the leaderboard, which will differ between recommended, current HHF, and HQ classifications. The age is simply the average number of the age of all scores that were used in the shooter's classification. Now, if we click on a shooter, we will go directly to their page, which has classification progression and classifier scores charts, as well as their classification card and scores table. Most of the columns in the scores table should be self-explanatory by now, but if you're curious to learn more about the ins and outs of HitFactor.Info, stay tuned for the next video, Statistics and Algorithms. Meanwhile, to finish our introduction, let's click on a classifier. This will bring us to a classifier page, which contains the written stage briefing, historical and recommended high hit factors table, scores table, and distribution chart. So now you can see not only overall shooter classification leaderboards, but also find out who is holding the current record on your favorite classifier. In this case, it's Jacob Hetherington, who has an exceptionally high score. Let's report him for cheating. Just kidding. We won't report Jacob. But if you see some suspicious scores or other data entry problems, feel free to report them using the flag button. We will investigate further and remove and/or merge any erroneous or duplicate scores. This was Stephanie Giordano from HitFactor.Info. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon on our YouTube channel and Instagram page for more information about classification systems. Monkeys out.